two words to say to you. Cowboy up.
HandyMan Joe.
Okay, today we're going to be showing you how I put up my icicle lights on the house. First thing, the most important thing is each year that I put them away, I make sure that I wrap them up in an orderly way so that I can unwind them. And as you can see there, what I'll do is I take them and roll them out so that they're not tangled in front of me as I put them up. I wanted to show you the type of clip that I use. This here, I bought it at Lowe's probably maybe 8-9 years ago. Over the years I've tried different ones, but this one seems to work the best, and it was a shingle / gutter clip, and I've been fortunate enough that it's lasted all these years, and it's very easy and simple to use without damaging any of my softened fascia. And I usually leave the clips on from each year to each year so that I don't have to finagle with them. But they are directionally put up. So when I take my lights down, I always label them so that I know exactly where I put them back up. And this one here, you'll see this says pool, which means pool house, and this goes across the front. So I know this is always started in the same corner and work my way around the pool house. And I'll show you just here how easy this clip clips onto the softened fascia. This would simply just clip right onto the softened fascia, and then I simply move to the next one so that I can just keep going forward, and then it doesn't do any damage to that. So now I'll just step back and you can watch the time lapse as I get these up. Okay, as you saw, those clips make it very easy to do. That maybe took me 15 minutes total to put those icicle lights up. One thing I did want to mention is that several years ago, I actually switched over to LED icicle lights, and I always buy the warm tone because that seems more natural to match my icicle lights that I used to hang up. The disadvantage of the old icicle lights were that you could only put 3 strands together, and then you had to bring another power source, which made it difficult having extension cords everywhere. The nice thing about the LED icicle lights is you can put up to 57 strands end to end. So I basically can go completely around the house, even the pool house, from just one point source. So also another quick tip is that when I am up putting my icicle lights, it's the perfect time to clean the leaves out of my gutter. I don't know if you picked up on that in the time-lapse video or not, but I'm going to get back to work, finish the other side of the pool house, and it'll be done.